I wonder why she was so aggressive with Mickey. Not with us, although he did jump at me.
What's the matter, Mick?
The circle turn. There it goes.
Ooh, I can't kneel down.
No, you'd be taken out. Look at me. What the shit? Hurt my dog and I'll feed him to you. Alright, let's go. Oh, boar. Come on. There's a tail fan off. That's funny. Did you get it?
Yeah.
We're pretty aggressive, dog. His tail's still wagging, so he's not bummed out.
Look at Mickey's ear.
But he's getting boxed into a corner.
Mickey, come. Come, Mickey, come. Get out of there. Get out of there, quick, quick.
Come on. Yes,
Did you stop him with your foot?
Yes.
That was pretty cool.
Now we got puffy feathers. See that? This must be the aggressive one.
That was a little naughty.